welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And what I have with me today is the Tulips earbuds. So this is what I have with me. So today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging. So guys, the Tulips earbuds, or cotton swabs as it's called, comes in this amazing small dabba right here, box right here, and it has a Tulips branding right here on top of it. It says paper stick cotton swabs, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off. So talking about the packaging, it comes in this plastic box right here with the Tulips branding here. Paper stick cotton swab, no natural forest were cut for this pack. 200 tips, 100 stems you get in this, and net quantity is 100 number. MRP of this product is ₹70, and it's a completely sealed pack, you can say. And this is exported to more than 17 countries. Tulip is a trusted brand. Sustainably sourced paper sticks made from sustainable sources, untouched by hands, produced and packed automatically on state-of-the-art Swiss production line. Pure and soft cotton. Soft pure cotton fiber is used. Cotton is as per IP standards. Dermatologically tested, regular tests performed at NABI accredited laboratories. Environment friendly, 100% biodegradable paper sticks. So guys, let's go ahead and open this. I'm going to open the seal right here, and the second seal, which is right here, and then we can just open it. Let's take out one of the swabs, and we are going to check out the quality of it. Okay, this is a cotton swab that you have. You have two heads to it, right, and one stem. So you can use it to clean your ears. So whenever you are using cotton swab, keep it away from children because they can damage their ears. So keep it away from them. Also, don't use cotton swabs to clean your child's ears because their ears are very delicate, right? Also, when you are using it on your ears, use it to only clean the outermost layer. Don't go on poking inside to clean your ears, right? So this is a cotton swab. Now let's go see how it feels. It has a nice soft touch, definitely, which is a good thing. So very nice, cleans the ear very nicely. Not very harsh on the ear. You can see it's very nice and soft, and does the job effectively of cleaning the outer part of the ear. Don't try to poke it inside. These are not meant to clean the inner ears, right? So for cleaning up your inner ears, visit a ENT. They will help you clean it medically, but avoid putting in cotton swabs inside your inner ear and try poking and cleaning them. Those might damage your eardrums. So guys, if you are looking to buy this product from Tulip cotton swabs, it's available online on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can check it out from there, right? And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.